Day 19 of turning boring videos into viral bangers.
Use AI voiceovers to become a dropshipping millionaire. First, visit 11labs.io. Then upload a video with a voice you want to clone. This can be from UGC creators or any famous person you like. If you don't already have a UGC creator's voice, just go to Twitter, type in search of UGC creator, visit their bio, check their bio and visit their portfolio. Then just download a bunch of their example content and upload those videos to 11labs.io to clone their voice. Second, just create a script and paste it into 11 Labs, generate the voiceover, then visit the settings and play with the stability setting. This will create the most realistic AI voiceover. A quick tip, a stability around 25% typically creates the most realistic voiceovers. Can you tell which of these two videos is using a fake AI voice?
Many tried, but few survived and thrived.
Those few built personal brands online, and these creators got to know each other over time.
They're actually both using it. And here's how you